Okay, so I want to move to changes and decisions. Risks and issues were pretty similar. Decisions and changes are pretty similar as well. We're going to evaluate things a little bit differently here, though, because a change goes through multiple different stages before it gets fully implemented. And the key here is we want to really track the progress and the performance at each stage to determine if there are any bottlenecks or if there are any real gaps in performance. So when you think about a change, the first thing you need to do is identify the need for a change. Then you need to make a recommendation on the change. Then you need to get the approval of a decision-making body to change. And then you need to implement the change. So we're going to track each stage here. So this first item here, there was one item and it has been outstanding for 106 days. And this is where you've identified the need for a change, but you're still in the process of making the recommendation. So really, this is evaluating the PM team's performance. The next phase is the recommendation has been made and it has been proposed to the decision-making body, and we're evaluating the time it takes for the decision-making body to make a decision. So in this particular item, it's saying you got one item open and it's on average taking 123 days to make that decision approval. And then finally, it's about the time it takes to implement the change. And this again is largely the project team's performance that you're evaluating. So right now we have two items in this status, and on average it's taking 238 days to implement this